those of you who don't know me, my name is Bethany. I am a mom of one with one on the way. I'm currently 33 weeks pregnant and I'm ready to have this baby already. But I wanted to create this video to help new moms or fourth time moms discover free baby stuff. Now, with my first son, I had no idea that you can get free baby stuff. And I really wish I did more research back then. So it would have helped out a lot to know all this information. And I'm really excited that I finally did discover this. And I'm gathering up as much free stuff as I can for this little guy that will be here in a few weeks. So let's get into it. I hope you enjoy it. So we're going to start off with the Amazon Welcome Box Registry. And to get this, you have to obviously make a registry with Amazon. You or somebody else makes a minimum of $10 purchase from your registry to qualify for this box. So let's open it up all the way, get into this. Starting off with, you have a bottle here, a Nook bottle. A Nook Binky, the 7th generation sensitive skin diapers in size 1, pack of 3. Real cute print. I've never actually tried these diapers, so now I will. Sorry, there's a garbage man outside. Also, we have the Advanced breast pads. Swaddle, gray and white swaddle, onesie from Carter's. It has little animals on it. I don't know if you can see because all the words are on there. This is the Dreft. It's clothing wash for your baby. We have a pack of on-the-go water wipes. Everybody rants and raves about these. They're alright. My favorite are Huggies, but I will use them. They are free. And last in this box is a shampoo and body wash for your little baby. Okay. Next, let's go into our baby list registry box. And for this one, you have to, I think you pay a $9 shipping, but you get this pretty hefty box loaded with stuff. Okay, so let's get into this one. So a little envelope full of different coupons for the Willow breast pump. One of those wrap slings. Not a big fan of those. I don't feel very secure in them. 50% off of some swaddles. A sample of the Lancino nipple cream. Another coupon, $2 off of diaper rash cream. This one is water wipe sample. On the backside is a coupon. We have a gift card here for Yummy. Ah, nice. For $35. That $9 shipping fee, like, is nothing compared to a $35 gift card for that. And then a $100 gift card for Universal Standard. I don't know if that's with, maybe it's off of everything off their website. I'll look more into that. Okay. Next in the box are some socks. It says Mama on them. Well, there's 2 pairs. M-A-M-A, Mama. Noobie breast pump storage bags. And, oh, looks like there's a binky in there, too. Ooh, there is. Okay. That's nice. Okay, so there's 4 of the bags. And 1 of their binkies. Even flow bottle. Little like poopy bags on the go. Got a stinky one. Throw it in a bag so you don't have to smell up your car, or if you just put all your diapers in a bag. This is another little binky. I don't see a brand name on it. Oh, Boone. Okay. I've never seen a binky like this. It's almost like a diamond shaped tip. Interesting. More breast pads and 2 bags for your milk. We got a Chico binky as well. Okay, so these come in almost every Registry gift bag. The Pampers little changing pad. Inside here we have some more detergent, coupons. I love me some coupons, girl. I do. And then we have Pampers wipes to go and a single pack of 1 Pamper. That's what it looks like opened up. So on the go changing pad. And last in this box we have the Honest wipes. Never tried these. Excited to try those ones. And then I did get 2 bags from Target and 1 from Bye Bye Baby. This is what the Target bags look like. Okay. But I already have everything scattered out because I started to put it all away and I was like, oh, maybe other people want to know on how to get free baby stuff. So I decided to do a little video on this. The stuff I'm going to show you is also a mixture of the Bye Bye Baby stuff. I don't have that bag. It was just like a regular, just a bag, and I tossed that one. But here we go. I'll just show you what I have collectively from those 3 bags itself. And yeah, let's get into it. We have the Honest Diapers samples. It comes with 2 in here. Another pack of Pampers wipes because I have more of these pads. More wipes, more Pampers, more wipes and Pampers, coupons. Can't go wrong with coupons. We have, again, more Pamper wipes. Honest wipes. Honest. Another Honest wipe. 2 more samples of water wipes. And each of these packs have 10 in each. So a 10 count in each. So these are really good just to throw in your diaper bag or just have in your purse or in your car. And then we have our little samples of stretch mark cream. Ooh. The grip water, so if you have like a colicky baby or a gassy baby, you can give them that. I have 3 samples of the boogie wipes, and on the back of all 3 of them is a 50-cent coupon. That's good. Coupons, love them. I'm not sure about boogie wipes though. Like, what's the difference? Can't you just use like a wipe you already have in your diaper bag? I don't see why you need a wipe for diapering, a wipe for boogers, and a wipe for binkies. Like, why do you need 3 different wipes? Oh, I got Huggies special. And this is, again, size 1, and it's a 3-pack. More samples of shampoo and conditioners, body washes. So I have Dove Baby Body Wash, Cetaphil, the Noodle and Boo, Honest Company, Aquaphor. Again, more Noodle and Boo. Baby, oh my god, oh my goodness, Baby Gannix, Johnson's, and then Aveeno lotions, and another Johnson sample of body wash. And also with the 2 Target bags, you get a stack of Target coupons for name brand products, and also their own line of baby products, and it's valued up to $80. I don't have it with me to show you because I used it all. I used all my coupons because they're awesome, and I did not want them to expire. They would have been expired already if I did not use them and showed it to you in this video. So I am now currently waiting for my sample box for Enfamil and a couple other formula brands too. Similac and Enfamil, and there's another one, I cannot remember the name of it, organic something. So once I get those in the mail, I'll show everybody the formula samples that I got. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more mom videos, and add me on Instagram, the Try Mama.